Hey Cody, this is Edwin and Ethan from Grindhard Plumbing Co.
Oh, hey, how's it going?
Good, good, man. I was just calling to let you know you won the Banshee.
No freaking way, dude.
Yeah.
Yep.
And we saw you ordered some Banshee shirts, so I'm hoping you're a rider.
No freaking way. Dude, that's insane.
We just got it tuned. We're working on it still right now. It having a little bit of jetting issues because we put new pipes, rebuilt the top end. That's why it took us so long to announce the winner, because we've just been trying to get it run right before we give it away, you know?
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I was wondering, I was like, dang, must have not got it, but dude, that is sick. That is insane. I'm mind blown. I'm beyond mind blown, dude.
That's awesome.
I am happy to hear it. We always like when the giveaways go to people who use the stuff.
Oh yeah, I'll be using it for sure.
Yeah, well, hey, this is the cheapest Banshee you'll ever buy, huh?
I'm seriously, dude, I've been looking for a few months, and dude, it's so expensive right now.
Oh yeah,
Ridiculous.
and this one is mint. I mean, you probably saw the video, but we rebuilt everything.
Dude, I am so stoked, man. It's crazy.
Sick.
Awesome.
Well, yeah, thanks for entering the giveaway. These things, you know, real people win these things. It's for real.
Oh yeah, I know. I had that exact. I've never won anything. I've done it a few times, but it's like, man.
Here it is.
Exactly. Yeah, I appreciate it beyond a ton, dude. It's crazy.
So there you have it, guys. The winner from the giveaway. Congrats to Cody. We will see you soon. And coming up soon, we're giving away the Arc Droid, and we're going to do a Go Fast camper tent. We're probably going to give away some dirt bikes in the spring. So comment below what you want us to give away. We love doing this. We're going to do it way more often.
Just don't say Power Wheels. We're never giving those away.
Yeah.
It's not happening.
Too much liability with the Power Wheels, though. Think like, you know, things that someone else is liable. This is definitely the last time that we will have a big gap between the end of the giveaway and announcing the winner. We just really wanted to get it running right before doing that, but
And
next time.
chaos happened in between as well. It was a very chaotic time.
It's been wild. We can fill you guys in on all that on a podcast or something, but we're all good. We're all back to work, and we're stoked to give more stuff away. Want to give another shout out to Fox Racing for the awesome shocks, Wiseco for hooking it up with the top end. If you guys need the best shocks in the business, you know where to go, Fox Racing. If you need to rebuild an engine, you know that's going to be Wiseco. We also used their top end on Cinderella. It's always top of the line, top quality. Well, there's your quad, Cody. Congratulations. I'm stoked to hear that you're a rider. We always love it when riders win our giveaways. Super sick, man. Congratulations. And we'll be doing more giveaways soon, so stay tuned.